feels like I'm about to get screwed.
What is up, guys? Welcome to ChefQ's Travel Recipe. Right now I am in San Diego at the Tuna Harbor. It is 6:45 a.m. Woke up at like 5 for this. We're gonna go get some seafood at the local farmers market. Basically, it's a local fisherman's market. They didn't really farm for the fish. They went out to fish for it and sell it at this dock. Only every Saturday. They don't open at 8 right now. It's almost 7 right now, and there's already a line. So I better get my ass in the line. Excuse me, you know why there's 2 lines? Which line is one? Is this a line to get in here?
Yeah, all the way.
Oh, what's that line over there? Oh, that's for the crab? Oh, that's that. Oh, okay. So this is the fish side and that's the crab. Cool. Thank you. Damn. So we still got like an hour before it opens. The fishermen and all those other guys are setting up. I can see them setting up the stuff. So it's not going to be another hour till they open the shop, and there's already a long ass line. Damn. So look at the line for the fish. All the way back there. That's a long ass line. Long ass line. Maybe because it's 6 feet apart, but see that gap. That's a long ass line. Look at that. Look at the crab line. Crab line's pretty long too. Crab line's all the way back there. We're moving along. Moving along. How can you tell it's a female? It's yellow?
It's a female, if it's short.
Okay.
The belly is more like.
Oh, okay. Cool. Females taste better? They got more eggs, huh? Okay. Oh, I see. More meat is male. More eggs is female. Cool. Yeah. Are those females and males too, or?
Yeah, females and males.
How about let's try 3 of those.
3 of those males and females?
Let's try 2 females. Sure. Get these weights out. And then
You want some snails too?
some snails. These are heavy, huh? They go by the pounds, huh?
Yeah.
They go by the pound, so let's try like maybe 5 pounds. Cool, free snails.
Okay.
The camera, there we go. Thank you. Let me pay now.
Some more.
Oh,
Maybe some more snails.
cool, more snails. Awesome.
Some ice. Okay?
Ice. You got it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we should put ice. It's gonna die.
Okay.
Okay?
When you do come here, you probably need 2 people. One person standing the tuna line, the fish line, and a person standing the crab line. Otherwise, if you go by yourself, might take a while. All right, guys, we are back, and happy Halloween. Today, not a lot of people know what kind of food to serve on Halloween, right? Well, we got a very creepy creature here for dinner. Yeah, look at that. These are spider crab that we picked up from our local Tuna Harbor Dockside market. Let me show you the camera for the viewer, how creepy this looking. These are spider crab. Inside here are eggs. Check out these eggs. There's a lot of eggs in here. A lot. So we're gonna use these eggs for like a sauce, I say. We're gonna make a sauce out of the eggs. Yeah, has a very shellfish-like taste to it. So it's gonna be really good for a sauce.
So other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me.
Okay, we put the shell down, we'll put the sauce in here, kind of like a layer. This one, when it gets a little bit cooked more, we're gonna throw on the sauce. Okay. We are gonna start baking this sauce in. Okay, this is the sauce that we made earlier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna cook it up in here later on. We're gonna take this, dip it in here, and chow down.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions.
Okay. Whew. After a long day of prepping, we finally got the thing, our meal. So this is the sauce from the crab shells. This is the shell. Look at this monster. Rawr. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this in here just for display and show. Ooh, it's still hot, so make sure to eat this while it's still hot. If it cools down, it's gonna smell fishy, so make sure it's right. So let's get to it. Got the sauce in here. You taste the sauce. See these chunks? These are actually the crab's eggs, remember, that we blend in? Taste this. Yeah, it's so creamy. It's like a creamy crab sauce. But we didn't add any creamer. We didn't use any milk or anything like that. So this is the end piece. I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna taste this without the sauce first, okay? The awesome thing about grilling in the charcoal is you get that smoky flavor from the charcoal, and then you get the flaky crab flavor. So check all this out. And for me, dip this in this sauce. Dip it. Yeah. Have you ever had barbecue crab before? On charcoal. Charcoal is way better. You get that smoky flavor, and then when you dip in this sauce, it's like that gives you a creamy, smooth flavor. Of course, it got the onion and pork fat in there that supports the fat content of it. All right. Let me get a good chunk so everybody can see. Let me get this claw though. Got a good piece here. Mmm. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. And with the beer, can't go wrong. Well, happy Halloween, guys. And I hope you have a recipe that you can actually show off to your friends when there's a Halloween party at your house, all right? Cheers.
You can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was
That is
so
all, folks. Thanks for tuning in on this week's Halloween recipe. Catch the next episode to see Chef Q's recipe for the other ingredients he also picked up at the Harbor Market. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow Chef Q's channel. Till next time, later.